Hey there, tech wizards and knowledge seekers. Have you ever fantasized about crafting your own graphical user interface using Python? Well, buckle up, because you've landed in the perfect spot. Python, a dynamic and robust language, renowned for its simplicity, is also your magic carpet to create dazzling, jaw-dropping GUI applications. First things first, let's talk libraries. Tkinter, PyQt, or Kivy. Each has its unique superpowers, custom-made for diverse needs. Tkinter is an oldie but goldie, seamlessly integrated into Python. Your weapon of choice for straightforward applications. PyQt, it's your Hercules, the go-to for the heavy-duty, intricate applications. Kivy, it's the star player for your multi-touch applications. Up next is designing the interface. Think of your users as your heroes. What are their needs, their missions, their adventures? Remember, a great design speaks directly to the soul. It's clean, crisp, and intuitive, never cluttered. Then, we get to the thrilling part. Code it. With Python, it's a breezy ride. Define your widgets, set their properties, and let them play on the grid. The final showdown? Test, tweak, and test again, and voila, you've just masterfully created a GUI application in Python. Buckle up and enjoy this exhilarating ride.